Okay, so this is garlic. And then I put what's that? Carrots. Looks nice already. Put it up. Stir it for a few minutes. Oh, and then I'll put this piece. My heart. Okay, wow, it looks colorful. Nice and colorful. Okay, a bit of soy sauce for taste, and then salt. This is
Himalayan salt.
Himalayan salt. It's good for you. Okay, just a tiny bit for taste. And then the next thing to do is put the pre-cooked prawns.
King prawns.
King prawns. Alright. Okay. And then the pre-cooked scallop.
Yep.
Stir. Oh wow, it's a lot already. Well done.
Take
Okay.
them out, put them in a container.
Yeah, and then now I'm going to put my
You're not
pre-cooked.
taking them out.
No, it's already. And then mix it because it's.
I normally take them out and then put the rice and the egg.
No, because it's I already cooked it. I took it out.
Yeah. I forgot.
I cook it separately. You see? Okay, and now this is the fun part. Mixing. Halo. Wow. It looks amazing. Okay. Oh, I think I need to put more soy sauce because it's a bit white. There. That's better. It looks yummy already. And then put black pepper. Oh, I need the spring onion on the table. I'll get it. Okay. Oh, I nearly forgot. I fried the egg, lightly fried, and then cut it in pieces, and then just add it. Normally I cook it together, but this time I fried it and then cut it in pieces. So all the ingredients are already pre-cooked, and then the last one is the spring onion. 4 color, or like all the 5 colors. green, pink, white, black, and black pepper. And then the carrots. So all the colors that I love are here. It's so colorful. The taste nice. It looks nice already. And another minute. So all mixed together properly. And then that's it. Wow, it's so quick. Doing fried rice is very quick. And it tastes nice. It's delicious. So that's it. All done. Thank you for watching. I love you guys. Don't forget to subscribe.